Okay. Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn, hello my dear. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome or welcome back sa ating YouTube channel or Facebook page. YouTube channel or Facebook page. My name is RJ, your tarot card reader. At ang gagawin natin today is ang iyong collective reading, my dear Capricorn. Okay. Kagaya ng sinasabi ko, my dear, sa lahat ng collective reading natin, sa tamang panahon, sa tamang oras, hahanapin ka ng reading na ito, hindi mo kinakailangan na ipilit ang mga reading ko sa sarili mo. Okay? Uy, I can feel this very, very strong energy. I get the power. Actually, hindi ganun eh. Hindi ako yung may power. Parang siya. Parang, this energy is trying to take control of my body. Trying to take control of my body. Okay, I can feel you. I can feel you, darling. I can feel you from the distance. Okay, go. Make my day. Magsayaw tayo ng cha-cha. Ananana. Ananana. Okay, you don't want this body. Okay, you don't want this body, darling. You don't want this. This body is very complicated. Okay? So anyway, my dear Capricorn, hello, 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 my dear Capricorn. It's not all about me. It's all about you. It's not all about me. It's all about you. Okay. Okay. So, my dear Capricorn, collective reading, pasensya na kayo, okay? It's just like attacking, okay? Attacking. And actually, every time na nagre-reading ako, I can feel this energy, this weird energy, okay? And, hayaan lang natin siya. Okay, so I can feel the number, or I can see the number 58. 58. 58. 5 at saka 8. So, let us 5 and then 8. Okay? 5 card and then 8 cards. Okay, so let's go na tayo, my dear Capricorn. Let me see. Let me see the love tonight. Okay, hindi ko siya kayang i-shuffle lahat, my dear. I cannot do this. I can make it through the rain. Okay, 5 cards tayo dito, my dear, and then 8 cards tayo doon. Let me see what is going on. Ano makukolect natin na energy for today? Relax. Shake it. Loosen up, loosen up, loosen up, and loosen up. Go! Capricorn. Okay, what is this? It's okay to be different. Yes. It's okay to be different, my dear Capricorn. It's okay. We are unique on our own way. Yun ang na-realize ko lately. Yung standard mo o yung standard niya, kanya lang yon. Hindi pwede, my dear Capricorn, na baguhin natin ang mga sarili natin para magustuhan lang tayo ng isang nila or ng siya, 'di ba? And that is actually what I am doing right now. Mahirap mag people pleasing. It's really, really hard. You're gonna destroy yourself, you're gonna destroy your life. Para siyang para siyang circle at saka rectangle. Okay? You're trying to put yung circle sa rectangle, hindi mag-match. So therefore, kailangan mong sirain yung circle para mag-fit in lang siya doon sa triangle or doon sa rectangle or something, 'di ba? So, it's okay to be different, my dear. You are unique on your own way, and that what make you special. Okay? Let me see, my dear, 5 cards. Capricorn. Stress. Okay? Are you stressed? Are you stressed, my dear, kasi hindi na ma-match yung expectation nila sa'yo? Like, they're expecting, my dear Capricorn, na dapat ganito ka, na dapat ganun ka, na dapat ganun. Baliktad. Dapat sila yung na-stress. Kasi sila yung may expectation sa'yo eh. Sila yung naglalagay ng expectation. Bakit ikaw? You are in control of your body, my dear Capricorn. Di ba? Sabi ko nga kanina, speaking of it, kasi sabi ko lang kanina, I am in control of my body. I am control, di ba? Kaya ko siguro na mention, my dear, it is just more on parang somebody's trying to control. Okay? Parang, something like that. Okay? So you're stressed because you're different. Okay? Actually, medyo pressure talaga siya, my dear, pag hindi ka nag-go with the flow with the crowd. Okay? Pag sinabi punta tayo lahat sa kanan, tapos ikaw punta ka sa kaliwa, medyo stressful talaga siya. Lalo pagdating sa pamilya, sa relationship, magkaiba kayo ng pananaw ng partner mo, or nasa wrong circle of friends ka because lahat ng friends mo is gusto pumunta sa left and then ikaw gusto mo pumunta sa right, 'di ba? This really stressful talaga kasi parang it happens to me. Nangyari na sa akin yan one time. And ang nangyari pa sa akin, my dear, is I'm so afraid na mawala ako sa circle na ito. Kaya ang ginawa ko is sinubukan kong baguhin yung sarili ko as much as possible based on their preference, based on their standard, kasi ayoko silang mawala eh. Kasi iniisip ko, wala na akong magiging ibang friends. Wala na ako ibang magiging kaibigan. Hindi lang silang tao sa mundo. I find friends. Okay? Friends that fit my style. Friends that fit my standard. Okay? And sometimes it's okay to be alone. It's okay na maging mag-isa ka, di ba? Para magkaroon ka ng peace and quiet moment. Okay? So, you're stressed because you're different. Don't be. Capricorn, don't be so stressed. Don't be. Okay, we have here, travel abroad. Travel abroad. Okay? Of course, when you travel abroad, syempre, kunyari, Pilipino ako, pupunta ako ng Canada. Syempre, puro mga Canadian ang nandoon. So, I'm different because I am Filipino. Diba? Pupunta ako ng Australia. Okay? Or pupunta ako ng New Zealand. Of course, mga New Zealand yung nandoon. Mga taga New Zealand. Syempre, I'm different. So, that's the way it is. Diba? You need to accept. Kasi kung matututo ka magkaroon ng acceptance, my dear, that you are different, therefore, pwede kang makifit in kahit kanino. Parang ganon. Okay? Parang nakukuha ko sa card na to is pagiging flexible, pagiging something like that. Okay? So, maybe then, my dear, nasa abroad ka. Maybe nasa ibang bansa ka, my dear, as of this moment while you are watching this, and na-stress ka because you are different. Because you are Filipino, and napapalibutan ka ng maraming lahi or ibang lahi. It's okay. It's fine. Okay, hindi pwedeng, 'di ba? Di sana kung hindi pwede ang ibang lahi doon, di sana sa airport pa lang o sa terminal pa lang binan na nila, 'di ba? Bakit kinakailangan pa nilang magpapasok ng ibang ano? Ang masama dito kasi, my dear, kung kapwa mo Pilipino, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin Pilipino ka, Pilipino ako. Tapos nagtitirahan tayo ng dalawa. Abe, isa sa atin may problema sa pag-iisip, 'di ba? Kasi yung ano yan, controlling ang tawag diyan. I consider it as a controlling, my dear. If may isang tao, my dear, na parang gusto kang baguhin, kasi hindi niya nagugustuhan yung nakikita niya according sa expectation niya. Parang kunyari, ikaw, nakikita mo ako, tarot card reader ako, tapos ayaw mo ng mga tarot card reader, and then susubukan mo kong baguhin, kasi ayaw mo ng tarot card reader. Sino ka? There is also opportunity, my dear, for you to travel abroad. Pag lumabas tong card na to, posibleng meron. Kung wala ka sa abroad, there's a tendency, my dear, in the near future na makakapag-travel ka and sa abroad. And kung nararamdaman mo, my dear, ng I am different as of this moment is because that is a preparation sa iyo, my dear, na sa ibang bansa magiging different ka talaga. Kasi lahat sila nagjo-German, lahat sila nag-i-English, tapos ikaw Filipino ka. So you need to adapt. Parang ganun nakukuha ko. Kung wala ka pa ngayon sa ibang bansa, kung wala ka pa ngayon sa abroad, my dear, okay? Next card natin over here is Planted Time Bomb. I think may nagko-cause, my dear, para may stress ka. I can feel. At tinitira ka niya sa pagiging different. Parang sa Capricorn, ang weird mo. Parang ganon. Capricorn, ang weird mo. Parang ganon. Capricorn, hindi ka belong sa amin. Kasi kakaiba ka. Kakaiba ka manamit, kakaiba ka kumilos, kakaiba ka lahat. Diba? Alien ka, galing kang planetang Pluto. Ganon. Planted Time Bomb. Parang meron tao na parang gusto kang sumabog and mag-explode anytime. And I think, my dear, madidi-activate mo lang tong time bomb na ito pag in-embrace mo that you are different and hindi tayo magiging the same. Hindi tayo magiging parehas. Kasi masama ugali mo. Pangit ka pa. Let's go. Maganda ako. Pangit ka. Char. Okay, may isang nag-flip over here, my dear. May nag-flip. Where are you? Yan ang sinasabi ko, napakarami ng card may nag-flip. Anyway, hindi ko na siya makita. Anyway, go. May nag-flip. Ayun, makita ko siya. Ayun. Sabi ko na eh. Group chat. Comment, bet me. They are talking about you, my dear. They're talking about you because you are different. This is people. Trying to control you. Gusto nila para kang ticking tambang. And every time, my dear, pwede ka mag-boom, explode, okay? It's okay to be different, my dear. Kung napapanood mo ngayon ako, I am different. I am different from the rest and I don't care. I don't give a fuck about what you think about me. I don't care. Wala akong pakialam sa kung ano ang iniisip mo sa akin. Basta ang mahalaga, mas maganda ako sa'yo. Nang asar. Okay, let's go na tayo, my dear. 8 cards, okay? 558, okay? 8 tayo. Let me see. This is a group of people, my dear. Okay, this is a group of people sa energy of group chat na gusto kang i-trigger, okay? And parang, you're different, my dear. You're not belong to the group. Ano gusto nyo? Baguhin ko yung sarili ko para maging duh! As if you have to love me for what I am, for simply being me. And if you're using me to feed your fantasy, buisit ka. My dear, you need to move on. Move on. Just accept, my dear, na itong mga tao na to or kung sino man ito ay hindi kayo magka-level. Marami dyan, my dear, naka-level mo, my dear. Marami. Just move forward. I know it's going to be hard, pero move on, my dear. Move on. Move forward. Don't be stressed. Okay? We have here the energy of my marriage. Baka sa relationship to, my dear. Okay. Ang pinagkataka ko lang, bakit may group chat? Kapamilya ng asawa mo? Pinag-uusapan ka? Like, di ba? Alam mo, my dear, kung sa relationship to, my dear, tapos hindi ka gusto ng pamilya ng asawa mo, di ba? Kinakailangan mag-decide ng asawa mo. Sino ba talaga ang pinakasalan mo? Sino ba talaga ang pinakasamahan mo? Ako ba? O siya? Ako ba? O siya? Sino ba sa aming dalawa? Di ba? Kasi pag nag-asawa na yung anak nila, dapat, di ba, hayaan nila. Kasi yun ang ginusto ng asawa nila, ng anak nila. Ano daw? Tita mo na siya. Ang mama mo, noon. Ha? Yun ang ginusto ng anak nila o ng pinsan nila, nung kamag-anak nila. So, kinakailangan nilang respetuhin na ikaw ang minahal. Okay. Move on. Ngayon, kung yung asawa mo hindi ka mapagtanggol, therefore, di ba? You have here the very, very stressed na card. Okay? Don't be stressed. Don't be. Okay, kung sa relationship man to, sabi mo sa asawa mo, ano ba? Di mo ba talagang pagkatanggol? Wala ka talagang balak? Di ka ba talaga nagagandahan sa akin? Diba? Pagtanggol mo naman ako. Diba? Paglaban mo naman ako. Diba? Pinakasalan mo ko, pinakisamahan mo ko, binembang mo ko, tapos isang sabi lang ng mga magulang mo, ng mga kamag-anak mo about sa akin, diba? Hindi ko lang pinautang eh. Kaya ganyan eh. Diba? We have here the energy of forgiveness. Okay? Patawarin mo sila, my dear. Hindi nila alam kanilang ginagawa. Patawarin mo sila, hindi nila alam ang kanilang ginagawa. Alam mo, napaka masyadong perfect. Kung sino man tong taong tinutukoy dito, it really doesn't matter kung nasa pamilya mo, friends mo, or relationship mo, napaka-perfectionist niya. At saka hindi ko nagugustuhan yung energy niya, my dear, kasi pag ginusto niya talaga. Ito yung gusto ko, ito yung gagawin natin, ito yung uulamin natin, ito yung kakainin natin ngayon. Parang, kung gusto ko mag-adobo, mag-aadobo ko, di magsinigang ka. Diba? Parang ganun na nakukuha ko. Super controlling. As in, like, very, very controlling. Okay? Let me see, my dear, last 4 cards. We have here energy of, forgiveness. Message of forgiveness again. My dear, let it go. Let it go. Okay? Patawarin mo ako kung ako'y nagkamali sa landas na aking tinahak. Okay? Okay, message of forgiveness. Ang daming forgiveness over here. Patawarin mo, my dear. Don't be stressed. Okay? Malay mo, ma-workout pa. Pero you don't have to change. You don't have to change anything. You don't have to change anything. You don't have to change anything. Okay? Ay, isa pa nakukuha ko dito, my dear. Parang may mga promise na napapako. Parang ganon. Parang ilang beses mo na siguro pinatawad or something. Parang paulit-ulit na siguro nangyayari to, my dear. Okay? Let me see, my dear. Let me see. Last 2 cards, okay? Tapusin na natin to, my dear, because this reading is very, very exhausting. As in, nakaka-exhaust talaga siya. As in, exhaust pan talaga siya, my dear. Okay, let's go tayo, my dear Capricorn. Capricorn, Capricorn, Capricorn. Okay, we have here the energy of, yes, 2 cards. Alam mo yung nakukuha ko dito is isang tao, my dear, na parang isusumbat niya sa'yo lahat ng nagawa niya para sa'yo. Just only to control you. Para ma-manipulate ka, my dear. There's a tendency, my dear, na baka sasabihin ng tao, iba ka talaga sa lahat, no? Talagang iba ako. No? Kasi masarap ako. Pinagligi ako sa magic sarap. Okay? So, yun ang nakukuha ko dyan, my dear. May tao, my dear, na parang tutulungan ka, gagawin niya lahat sa'yo. Ang pangit ito kung sa loob to ng relationship. Napakapangit nito kung sa loob to ng relationship, okay? Ang problema dito, my dear, is, ang pinaka-highlight kasi ngayon na reading, my dear, is, parang iba ka, parang may attitude problem ka, parang may ugali ka, parang ganun, and pinag-uusapan ka nila. Posible itong pamilya ng partner mo, kaibigan mo, katrabaho mo, parang pinag-uusapan ka, my dear Capricorn, yung sinasabi, my dear, na may ugali ka talaga, may tinaglay ka talaga na ugali, na there's a tendency, my dear, na sinasabi dito na wala kang utang na loob, something like that yung nakukuha ko, my dear, like, parang, iniisip mo naman ngayon na parang, wala ba talaga akong utang na loob? No, my dear, meron kang utang na loob. It is just more on parang gusto ka lang talaga kontrolin. Ibig sabihin, my dear, from the very first place, my dear Capricorn, yung mga tulong, just in case meron mang involved na tulong dito, kung yung mga tulong na ibinigay sa'yo, yung mga help na ibinigay sa'yo, meron talaga yung hidden agenda, my dear. Hindi yun straight from the heart. Ay, tutulungan natin si Capricorn, gagawin ko to kay Capricorn, regaluhan ko si Capricorn, ganito, ganyan, iso-surprise ko si Capricorn, so on, para mapasunod ko siya. Once again, pwedeng long distance relationship ito or long distance connection, my dear. Okay. So, gusto ko i-trigger ditong tao na to para mag-explode ka, gumawa ka ng eksena, magwala ka, pero wag mong gagawin, wag mong gagawin, my dear. Wala sa'yo ang problema, nasa kanila ang problema. This is also mind controlling din, my dear. Baka sinapsycho ka, my dear, or parang inaano ka, my dear, ginagamitan ka ng something, okay? Not magic, it's more on parang psychology or something like that na parang ikaw may problema, Capricorn, ikaw talaga may problema, ikaw talaga may saltik, ikaw talaga may sapi, ikaw talaga may something like that, my dear Capricorn. Anyway, my dear, ayoko na, napapagod na ako sa reading mo. Okay, so my dear Capricorn, hindi po ako galit, very expressive lang po talaga ako mag-reading. Ito ang nasagap natin, my dear, para sa araw na to. Somehow, my dear, kung nagustuhan mo ang ating collective reading, don't forget na mag-subscribe. Pag-click, my dear, ang notification bell para ma-update ka every time na meron tayong mga bagong upload. And please to like, please to share, please to comment sa lahat po ng ating mga videos. Once again, my name is RJ, also known as Apo J. Maraming salamat po, and until next time, bye-bye. Thank you, my dear.